What's up? What's up? I know y'all gonna be mad at me. Super mad because y'all wanted to see footage of the block going in, the head going on, and all that. But doing stuff off video, off camera, obviously not the way you do YouTube. But you ever just get that feeling, and I'm pretty sure many YouTubers get it, when you just want to get your build done. It's not the way you do YouTube, but man, I just wanted my daily done. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bros. And hey, we got her back together, boys. Everything's put back together completely. Oil in it, just gotta go break the rings in. Eventually, I'm going to, I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna replace that damper with an ATI damper. But yeah, everything is completely finished, and she is looking amazing. Don't got the best bay in the world, but I love it though. My boy Mike over there in this dope ass truck. Yeah, you guys want to hear it? This right here would literally be the 4th startup. Whew, hey, that compression though, jeez. But yeah, I don't want to keep it running too long because neighbors don't want to disturb them. This thing is like super loud, and we have a quiet, beautiful, peaceful neighborhood, and I don't want to be the one causing all the racket. And you know, I love my neighbors. I don't want to disturb them. But this your boy SI Rico. Next thing for this is to get a dyno. That's it. Oh wait, that's a lie. If I want to get this tuned on E85, I'm gonna have to upgrade the 750cc injectors, go to some 1000s or some 1200s. I may put the 1000s in this car and put the 1200s in the Rex. I think I may do that. Yeah, I'll buy some 2200s, put it in the Rex, and put the 1000s in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that because we shoot for some big power in that car, at least like 7 something. But yeah, boys, anything over 4, I'm happy with this, and we're gonna daily this bad boy and have some fun. Put the Phantom grip in here. I was gonna put a real LSD in here, but I won't to, just daily Phantom grip. I'm gonna buy me a Coify for that one, maybe like 2 months. Yeah, boys, she sound good. I would have it running longer, but I don't want to disturb my neighbors, like I said. We will be doing a track spec hood vent like that one, but shaped a little bit different on this car. And yeah, we good, boys, we good. Got a little heat built into her. I am going to bleed my coolant because I need to. And yeah, boys, everything is good. Everything is, how they say, go Jado Yankee. Yeah, I'm finna go enjoy my 45 minutes chilling because I gotta go to work in 45 minutes. And yeah, it's hot as hell out here. I'm burning, baking like a toasted cheeser. I know y'all like, what the fuck is a toasted cheeser? I don't know. Go watch Sandlock. That's where I got that from. And yeah. Facebook. Peace. Hey, almost forgot. Never waste your time, boys. Peace.
No one ever said it'd be easy. No No one ever said it won't take no time. No one ever seemed to believe me. No one ever thought that I could make those rhymes. And no one